Hey guys, how we doing? My name is Jonathan Rose. Today we're going to talk about uranium. There was a major report that came out of Citigroup last night that talked about how much uranium China needs by 2040. By 2040, the Citi report said that China is going to need at least 33% of the world's uranium. That's why uranium is going higher. That's why we've been bullish uranium for quite some time. And today, I'm gonna go over some of my favorite uranium names. What I need from you to do, guys, we have about 150 people on here live. I need everybody to give it a like. We need over 50 likes. Telvin, my video producer, was asking me, he said, we have all these people, but we don't get too many likes. We're getting 20 or 30 likes. So I need you to show Telvin that we're here and we're gonna give a like, we're gonna give a subscribe. Let's get over 50 likes, please. Thank you all for joining. I'm gonna go over the screen and we're gonna talk about uranium. Here we go. Yes, hit that like button. Thank you very much. Here we go, guys. Let's have some fun. Thank you all for joining as well. Good morning, good morning, good morning. All right, switching over to the slide deck, guys. Here we go. For those who follow the channel, I've been talking about uranium since 2016. I have been extremely bullish uranium. So much so that just 6 days ago, we put out a video, 5 reasons of why we are loading up on uranium. We put this video out 6 days ago. Here's uranium, last trade 76 at that time. In the beginning of the year, I put this video out December 2024, 5 uranium stocks to watch in 2025. We are obnoxiously bullish uranium and keep putting videos out to try to get you guys in as well. Well, Citigroup last night came out with an awesome read. Follow the yellow cake road. Follow the yellow cake road. Why China will own 1/3 of the world's uranium by 2030. Sorry, I said 2040. They're going to do it quicker than that, by 2030. Citi Research says China's nuclear expansion is so aggressive, it's going to consume 1/3 of the global uranium supply by 2030, a structural shift that investors absolutely can't ignore. Here's the takeaway. China is the whale. By 2030, one country is going to control 1/3 of the uranium demand. Stockpiles does not equal market relief. Imports will keep climbing. Actionable exposures, uranium miners, ETFs. Here are your names. CCJ, the 4 U's, UEC, NXE, DNN, LEU, we love LEU, URA, URNM, UROY. E-Train, I am too bullish on uranium and own positions in 4 of those names. So where are we now? And again, this is just from the report. This is China. 58 reactors in operation, 34 more under construction. The current uranium needs, they need 35 million pounds, about 22 to 28% of world demand. They're stockpiling uranium. Those reserves are locked away and they are not available on the global markets. China is stockpiling uranium. There is not enough uranium to go around. Where are we headed? By 2026, imports to rise 55 pounds, nearly 30% of the world production. By 2030, China operates 96 reactors. Demand continues to grow. By 2040, they're going to need up to 40% of global consumption. All of these names are going to continue to trade higher. We put out a video, this video, at the end of 2024, 5 uranium stocks to watch. Here are those 5 names. The 4 U's, URG, LEU, CCJ, NXE. These are our names. Here are the stocks. NXE, beginning of the year, 670, now 8. The 4 U's, the beginning of the year, 5, now 12, up 140%. Long, LEU, was 75, now 205, 173%. CCJ, beginning of the year, 50, now 77, 54%. And then URG, $1.10, now $1.60, 45.5%. This video was shared in the beginning of the year. These were the 5 stocks. These 5 stocks are going to continue to trade higher and higher and higher because of the unbelievable demand out of China. Here's Kate in our Discord, not talking about uranium. Kate's talking about lift. The overall message, though, on the uranium is we want to continue to stay long. We want to buy uranium on all pullbacks. Inside our all access, I share my favorite uranium holding right now. Another favorite holding that we have is lift. We've been talking about lift quite a bit. LY, FT, strong, nice and strong. Kate was able to lock in 408% on her lift position. It's really interesting right now because the market overall is not so volatile, but there's these little packs of volatility. We're seeing that in uranium. We're seeing that in quantum. We're seeing that in refiners. We're seeing that in our lift trade. The trade is really good. It's a trader's market. If you haven't yet tried our challenge, guys, I invite you to investorplace.com/challenge 2025. It's an ongoing challenge. It's 7 days where you can learn how to trade options and you can try out our community for less than $100. I get on here free every day the market's open, 11 a.m. Eastern time. What I always do is go over the market, share some thoughts, and then we break off into our all access community. That's what I'm going to do right now in our all access community. That's where we go over some of our live positions. Denny is up $12,000 on his lift position. Hey, Denny, great trade. I am thrilled for you. I'm thrilled for everybody that caught that lift trade as well. I'll be back live tomorrow. Everybody in all access, you guys hang tight. We'll be right back. Thanks for watching, guys. If you want to go deeper, join us at investorplace.com/challenge 2025. It's the most cost-effective way to master the foundation of my strategy. You'll get the Basis Watch tool and connect with our Discord community. Keep your eyes on the markets, and remember, the creative trader wins.